Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports at our new location, 1150 Concord Ave. And today we have our 2015 Honda CTX700N model. Metallic silver, twin cylinder, liquid cooled fuel injected. This is automatic transmission motorcycle with ABS brakes. Just turn it on, put it in drive, and go. Super low seat height, only about 28 inches. Beautiful cruiser. Get about 55 per gallon. Great for commuting. Come on by, check it out. Price to sell quickly at just $49.99. Make your automatic motorcycle dreams come true at Contra Costa Powersports. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.